Hi there, and welcome to our channel. I'm Sage from Sage Academia Limited. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most important aspects of any job application, the cover letter. Whether applying for your first job or seeking a career change, a carefully composed cover letter can be your key to standing out in a competitive job market. We'll guide you through the essential steps to writing a perfect cover letter, including what to include and what to avoid. Plus, we'll take a look at a sample format to help you put it all together. But before we start, let's clear up some common confusion by differentiating between a cover letter and an application letter. While these two documents might seem similar, they serve different purposes in the job application process. Let's break down the key differences and help you understand when to use each one. There are some differences between a cover letter and an application letter, though they are often used interchangeably. Here's an overview. Cover letter. Purpose. A cover letter typically accompanies a resume or CV and gives you more context to your qualifications and interest in the position. Content. It usually focuses on explaining why you're a good fit for the specific job and how your skills align with the requirements. It often highlights key achievements and your enthusiasm for the role. Format. It's often used for job applications where you're responding to a job posting or reaching out to a company directly. Tone, more personalized and targeted to the job and company. Application letter. Purpose. An application letter is used to formally apply for a job or position, and it can sometimes be more formal than a cover letter. It may serve as the primary document for applying for a role, especially in situations where there is no specific job posting. Content. It provides an overview of your qualifications, experience, and interest in the position or organization. It may also include a summary of your career goals and how they align with the company's objectives. Term. Format. It's often used in more formal job application processes or when applying for positions through official channels, such as government jobs or academic positions. Tone. Generally formal and straightforward. In summary, while both letters aim to showcase your qualifications and interests, a cover letter is often more targeted and personalized for a specific job posting, whereas an application letter can be more general and formal, used to apply for a job or express interest in a position or organization. Well, let's now talk about 10 tips to include in your cover letter to make a strong impression and 10 tips to avoid. 10 tips to include. 1. Personalize your greeting. Address the letter to a specific person if possible. Use Dear Hiring Manager's name rather than a generic to whom it may concern. 2. Highlight relevant experience. Focus on your experiences that directly relate to the job you're applying for. Tailor your letter to the job description. 3. Show enthusiasm. Express genuine interest and enthusiasm for the role and the company. Let your passion for the position shine through. 4. Demonstrate knowledge of the company. Mention something specific about the company that excites you, such as their recent projects or company values. 5. Use specific examples. Provide concrete examples of your achievements and how they align with the role. Quantify your successes when possible. For example, increase sales by 20%. 6. Keep it concise. Aim for a one-page letter. Be clear and to the point and ensure every sentence adds value. 7. Match the tone. Adapt your writing style to fit the company culture. For a creative job, a more relaxed tone may work. For a corporate role, a formal tone might be better. 8. Highlight skills and strengths. Focus on skills and strengths that make you a great fit for the position. Align them with the job requirements. 9. Show how you can add value. Explain how you can contribute to the company's goals or solve a specific problem they face. 10. Include a call to action. End with a strong closing statement encouraging the hiring manager to contact you for the next step. 10 tips to avoid. 1. Avoid generic language. Steer clear of cliches and vague statements. Be specific and personal in your writing. 2. Don't rehash your resume. Your cover letter should complement, not duplicate, your resume. Avoid repeating the same details. 3. Skip the formalities. Avoid overly formal language or unnecessary jargon. Write in a clear and natural style. 4. Don't focus on what you want. Rather than emphasizing what you hope to gain from the job, focus on what you can offer the company. 5. Avoid negative comments. Don't speak negatively about previous employers or experiences. Keep the tone positive and forward-looking. 6. Don't use a one-size-fits-all approach. Avoid using the same cover letter for different jobs. Tailor each letter to the specific role and company. 7. Steer clear of spelling and grammar mistakes. Proofread your letter carefully to avoid errors. Mistakes can make a poor impression. 8. Don't make it too long. Avoid lengthy paragraphs and excessive details. Be succinct and focused. 9. Avoid overemphasis on salary. Don't mention salary expectations or benefits in your cover letter unless specifically asked. 10. Don't forget to sign. If you're submitting a hard copy, ensure you sign the letter. For electronic submissions, a typed signature is generally acceptable. By following these tips, you'll increase your chances of making a memorable and positive impression on the hiring manager. Now let's look at the format. Here are some key points to be in the format. Personalized greeting, address the letter to a specific person. Opening paragraph, state your interest in the position and briefly mention how you found out about it. Or body paragraphs, highlight relevant experience, skills and achievements. Tailor your examples to the job description. Company knowledge, mention something specific about the company that excites you. Closing paragraph, express enthusiasm and a willingness to discuss further. Include your contact information. Feel free to adjust the format to suit your style and the specific job you're applying for. Notes on the signature section. For a hard copy, leave space for your handwritten signature between sincerely and your typed name. For an email, simply type your name after sincerely, as there is no need for a handwritten signature. Make sure to adjust the spacing based on whether you're submitting a physical or digital copy of your cover letter. Here's a well-organized format for a cover letter. Your name. Your address. City, country. Email address. Phone number. Date. Hiring manager's name. Company's name. Company's address. City, country. Dear hiring manager's name. I am writing to express my interest in the job title position at company's name, as advertised on where you found the job posting. With my specific number of years of experience in a relevant field or industry, I am excited about the opportunity to contribute to your team. At your current or most recent company, I successfully mention a specific achievement or responsibility that relates to the job. For example, briefly describe a key accomplishment or project using specific metrics if possible. This experience has equipped me with mention skills or knowledge relevant to the job, making me a strong candidate for this position. What particularly excites me about company's name is mention a specific aspect of the company or its recent projects that you admire. I'm impressed by describe how the company's values or work align with your own goals or values. And I am eager to bring my expertise in relevant skill or field to your team. In addition to my experience, I offer mention any other skills or attributes that make you a good fit for the role. I am confident that my background and enthusiasm will enable me to make a meaningful contribution to company's name. I would welcome the opportunity to discuss how my background and skills align with your needs. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the possibility of contributing to your team and am available at your earliest convenience. Sincerely, your signature. Your name. Remember to replace the words and sentences in quotation mark with your case. Thanks for watching. Whether you're just starting or making a big career change, remember that a carefully composed cover letter can be your key to standing out in a competitive job market. Take the time to tailor your cover letter to each job, highlight your strengths, and show genuine enthusiasm for the role. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more career advice. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your questions, experiences, or additional tips you have. Share this video with anyone who could use a little extra help in their job search. Good luck out there, and I'll see you in the next video.